In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the setup process on Shopify, specifically focusing on configuring the checkout settings. If you're new to Shopify, this tutorial will be particularly helpful in guiding you step by step through the essential setup tasks. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and hop over to your Shopify account. You'll want to log in if you haven't done so already. From your dashboard, navigate to the home page of your store. This is your hub for all things Shopify, where you can manage your storefront and access a variety of features. Next, look towards the lower end of your screen, and you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. The Settings section is where you'll find most of the configuration options that allow you to tailor your store to your specific needs. Now that you're within Settings, keep an eye out for the Checkout settings. It's critical to set up the checkout process correctly, as it's what your customers will interact with when they make a purchase. Click on Checkout to proceed. Once you're in the checkout settings, you'll see several options. For this tutorial, we'll focus on how you can tailor the contact information collection process to suit your store's needs. Begin by locating the phone number or email option. Clicking this allows you to determine whether customers will need to verify their identity with either a phone number or an email address during the checkout process. This information is crucial as it helps in order completion and tracking communications. Now let's move on to another vital part of the settings. Email. Click on Email to configure how you'd like your store to handle email communications with customers. It's here you'll set preferences related to order confirmations, shipping updates, and follow-up interactions. Ensure that you configure these settings according to how you want your customers to experience communication from your store. These choices determine how comfortable and seamless their transaction journey will be, impacting customer satisfaction and future business. To wrap things up, double-check all your chosen settings to make sure they align with your store's policies and customer experience goals. Adjustments can always be made later, but having a sound setup from the start can save you time and increase efficiency. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the checkout settings in Shopify. By taking the time to customize these options, you're on your way to creating a streamlined shopping experience for your customers. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck with your online store.